Welcome to easyayurveda.com. Today we are preparing a easy and simple home remedy for cough. For this we are taking 5 grams of each of ginger. This is ginger powder, black pepper. We have taken fine powder of black pepper and long pepper. A combination of equal proportions of ginger, black pepper and long pepper is called as Trikatu Churna in Ayurveda. 3 means the number 3. Katu means pungent. Since all these are having pungent and hard properties, it's called as Trikatu Churna in Ayurveda. So we are also taking 3 to 5 ml of ghee, and we are also taking a little amount of jaggery. So first we are taking around 5 grams of each of these ginger powder, pepper powder and long pepper powder, and we are mixing it uniformly. Trikatu powder along with ghee is administered along with jaggery to relieve cough. It is told in Ayurvedic classics that traditionally it is given for a long period of time, for up to 15 days to 30 days to relieve cough. Having said that, this home remedy might not be ideal for those having gastritis because Trikatu is hot in nature and it may worsen gastritis. The dose of this Trikatu powder paste is just 1 to 2 grams only. For more such home remedies, please visit easyayurveda.com.